2018 Nissan Kicks. Say what you want about the Nissan Juke's looks. At least it was an attempt to be interesting in a world filled with humdrum crossovers. Buyers can't have it both ways. It isn't fair to complain that all crossovers look too similar, and then go crazy when a company finally tries something new. It seems Nissan grew tired of hearing people criticize the Juke for its polarizing looks, and decided to kill it off in the United States. Now the company has an all-new Juke, one that is ready to capture the hearts of young car buyers, the all-new 2018 Nissan Kicks. Although it is not a direct replacement, the new Nissan Kicks has arrived for the 2018 model year, looking to forge a very different path than the quirky-looking Juke. Nissan has targeted models in the compact cube segment including Ford EcoSport, Kia Soul, Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona, Mazda CX-3, and Toyota CHR. The Kicks looks to attract younger buyers by focusing on three pillars: expressive style, incredible value, and unexpected technology. Aesthetically, the styling of the new Kicks is not as controversial as the old Juke. Since most of our readers seem to be less than enthralled by the Juke, we'll chalk the Kicks styling as a win. Like other cubes in the segment, Nissan has styled the Kicks with some quirky touches to capture the imagination of a young audience. The company's signature V-motion grille is still prominent, as are boomerang taillights and an exaggerated floating roofline. 7 colors will be available, including brilliant silver, gun metallic, super black, cayenne red, deep blue pearl, fresh powder, and aspen white. In addition to the 7 colors, 5 two-tone combinations will be available with white, orange, black, and red roof options. Buyers who want to customize their Kicks even further can choose options from the Color Studio, which contains 12 accessories that can be painted in one of 5 colors. During the launch event, we saw a gun metallic car with orange accents, reminding us of the customization options on the old Juke.